Okay, so today I'm going to be testing doing this sound diagnostics test on my Samsung TV. Okay, now there is one single problem. I lost access to several check channels like these two. Okay. Okay, as I said, we're going to do the sound diagnostics test. I think I set everything. Okay, let's go. Here you go. This time. No, I don't have problems.
You should have known about this gem before.
Of course, I should have known about this gem before. It's really great what Samsung used to do at the time. Sure. Maybe we should end before it hits the 2-minute timer. Maybe we should stop recording before it hits the 2-minute timer. See you soon.